Hello everyone. Recently I completed a resume challenge given by Codebasics. It was a SQL resume challenge. The name of that challenge is Consumer Goods Ad-hoc Insights. Today I'll be telling you how I performed in the challenge, what the steps I followed. I divided this presentation into four parts. Firstly about company, company market and data, ad hoc request, query and output, visualization and insights. Now talking about the Atliq Hardware. It is a hardware company that is a leading computer hardware producer in India. It has a global presence in many different countries. Company problem. The management noticed that they are not able to find out the insights to make quick and smart data informed decision. Company decision slash challenge. Tony Sharma, their data analytics director, wanted to hire some new data analyst. So he was looking for a person who is good at technical skills as well as soft skills. So he was the person who conduct this SQL challenge. Atliq market. Atliq market is expand almost every continent except Africa. This was the data which was given by them. These are the fact table and their dimension table. And the tool which I used for writing query, I use MySQL and Power BI for visualization. These are the 10 ad hoc requests which was given to us. Now coming to the request. The first request was provide the list of market in which customer Atliq Exclusive operate its business in APAC region. So here this is SQL query and here is the output. So here I use distinct function and where function. So this result I got. So in visualization, we can see all those countries where Atliq market is in APAC region. Second request, percentage of unique product increase in 2021 versus 2020. So here I used CTE function. It is used for like making some temporary table. So two temporary table I made. And also here for finding out the percentage, I used the formula. And in the end, I joined with the cross join function. And this is the output which I get. So here we can see that in 2020, 245 new products were produced. In 2021, 334. So we can see that 36.33% growth as compared to the previous year. And by that, we can say that companies continuously innovating with introducing new products. Third request was finding the unique product count for each segment. I use count distinct function and group by. So this was the result which I get. Here we can see that notebook, accessories, peripheral, they were contributing almost 83%. And among them, notebook was the highest, 129. And talking about the lowest one was networking, then storage. So in this segment, their new products are not being produced. So we will be talking to company where they are not producing. Fourth one is the follow-up question. Here we have to find the segment had the most increase in unique product 2021 versus 2020. This is the follow-up question of this one. Here we have also find the segment, but now we have to compare with the 2020 versus 2021 year. So I use CTE function and case function also to differentiate between both the year. I use inner join, and here the result output which I got. In the visualization, we can see that accessories has 34 largest increase in production. 34 difference. The total difference was 34. And if I talk about the networking and storage, it was 3 and 5. the lesser new products were producing. And it is kind of similar last one, so we'll be saying like there should be some more products should be produced in this. Fifth request is to find out the highest and lowest manufacturing costs. Here I use mean and max function and join with the different table, and this is the result which I got. So here the highest manufacturing cost was of AQ Home All-in-One, which was $241, whereas the lowest was AQ Master Wired. It cost $0.89. Sister request was top 5 customers who received an average high pre-invoice discount percentage, and that for the fiscal year 2021, and that should be of Indian market. So here I used join function. In where clause I use India and 2021. Limit with only 5. This is the result which I got. So here I can see that it's kind of similar, the discount which they provided, but the highest it was given by the Flipkart, which was 30.83%. Seventh request, to find out gross sales amount for the customer, and that should be Atliq exclusive for each month. So here I have to retrieve the month name and the date, years, all those things. Use sum function and join with the two different tables, and in where it was Atliq exclusive. So this is the result which I got. So now coming into the visualization. So actually before that I want to tell you the fiscal year of Atliq Hardware. It starts from the month of September till August. And here we are seeing the lowest value, that is 1 million, and in the month of March, and the year is 2020. And I'm sure that you are aware, March 2020 it was the COVID time and lockdown was there, so the market was shut down, so that's why there is a loss, maximum loss. And in the month of, and also there was a global chip shortage also. And in the month of November 2020, the highest sales rises to 32 million. And it was because there was no lockdown. All the people started doing work from home, and also school children and college students. They also started their education online. So they purchased laptops and many other accessories. And also there was a festival season in India around that October November time. So that can be the reason why the sale was highest. Now the eighth request was to find the maximum total sold quantity in the, and that should be quarterly of the year 2020. So in the query we use case function, and here we can see that the month September month, that we use quarter 1, and here the March month is the quarter 3, which I told you in the last request. I also use sum function, and the fiscal year that should be 2020. The result which we got, and in the visualization we can see clearly that quarter 1, which was the highest sales in 2020, that was 7 million, and the lowest was quarter 3, that is 2.1 million sale. And we are aware that quarter 3, as I said, it was the month of March, April and May, and that was the COVID time in the year 2020. And in the next quarter there was a like double increment, almost double size, 5 million sales was happened, because like as I already mentioned about, work has been started after the COVID lockdown. Ninth request was which channel helped to bring more gross sales in fiscal year 2021, and here I used CTE and sum function and also the subquery also I used, and in the end cross joined with a different table. So here the result which I got. So in the visualization we can see clearly these among these three channels retailer contributed the maximum 73%, whereas other direct and distributor it was 11% and 16%. 10th request, this is the last request. Get the top 3 product in each division that have a highest total sold quantity in the fiscal year 2021. So here I used CTE, and one important thing I used is concat. If I see here 𝐴𝑄 this product they were having the same product name, but their variant was different, standard 1 and plus 2. So that's why I joined product with the variant so that there should be a unique name. And here I use rank function because we have to give ranking to each division, and also we join with a different table. Year fiscal year we put 2021. So this was the result which I get. So in the visualization, these are the ranking first, second, third of each category. In PC, the product was 𝐴𝑄-𝗔𝗱, which was having the highest sales. In NLS, 𝐴𝑄-pen-drive 2, and in P&A, 𝐴𝑄-gamers. So these were the top 3 products of each section. Thank you. I want to thank to Codebasics team, Dhaval sir and Hemnanda sir for providing these kind of challenges. It not only help in our technical skills but also in our soft skills. Thank you for listening.